Yeah, g'day. It's Chriso. This bathroom that I'm doing, I'll show you some more. I'm just pulling it back, come out of the shower, gone across. Now I'm pulling it, going to be pulling my mud back. Just spread around a bit. The glue is my slurry. Don't forget, always slurry. You've got to stick your mud to the floor. That's a must. Years ago, or not that long ago, they used to put plastic on the floor, thinking that was sort of waterproofing the bathroom floor. Black plastic. It would sort of, it was there sort of, I don't know, for movement as well. But I think it was a lot of bullshit. You must stick it down. It's a must. Wooden floor, concrete floor, whatever. Stick your mud down to the floor. Just like before, you're always watching the right hand side of your straight edge and the left hand side, so you're not digging in. That's the key. When you first learn, you're constantly digging in all the time as you learn. Well, I did. Many years ago. There is a bit of a knack. There is a bit of a knack to it, but once you got it, you got it. Once you got it, you got it. So I'll just run the plastic float, or wooden float. It's not wood, it's plastic. Like I've said in other videos, it doesn't have to be super pretty. It just needs, I don't need to go over it with a wooden, with a steel float. No. A lot of times the wooden float can, like a straight edge, you get actually a better job. You can be up and down with a wooden float and not realise it. Always looking for any gap. It's all pretty good. Keep the mud out of your waste, Chriso. But yeah, a wooden float, you can be going up and down and not even know it. A straight edge, level or aluminium, whatever, is actually the best. A wooden float or a steel trowel just makes it look pretty, but it could be up the shit. Fill a bit of a hole there. For a home and hose. Now I'll pull my bring my tiles back. I need to just come around here a tad, but I'll do that line first and then come across. So I'll need another bucket of mud shortly. But I'll lay that back row of tiles first. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. See you soon, bye. This is true wet bedding. This is true tiling, doing it like that. You use a rake, you scuff it up a tad, and you tap it into position. You don't really need clips. I'm spoiling myself using clips because but it still helps. I used to lay floor after floor just like that before clips came in. They've probably been in 10 or 12 years. Clips and wedges. Makes child's play of it now. So DIYers, it full on helps with these suckers. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, press the bell, press the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.